Alright, let's just do something right here. Let me just show you something real quick right here. To be much easy. So we're going to go in the markets. Like okay, let's start with what's on the menu right now. Okay, we have us30 right here. So go to the us30 chart right here. So yeah, so that's what we have right there. Okay, this is 1 hour, and this is also 1 hour. This is us30 1 hour. Yes. Okay. Weren't that accurate with the entry though, but the market moved nicely. Okay, so we'll just have to get rid of a few things. Okay, but not completely everything. I just want to remind you something. So you can see we just took entries from that point right there. We'll also check on the system. We will see what we had on the system. So we'll go to the 1 hour, then we'll go to the 15. So in the 1 hour, it doesn't look like much. So if we look at it in the 15, this is what you see in the 15, right? Yeah. So in the 15, that's when we can see much of everything. That's why we can see most of the things happening. Yeah, in the 15. Yeah. Okay, let's focus on the 15. Then we'll go back to 1 hour. The 1 hour, the move has already moved. It has already passed and stuff. So while we took entries right there, just here, took some buy entries, and the market pushed price up like that, and it's still pushing price up like that, as you can see right here, still pushing price up like that. So let me just go to the camera real quick right here. So what we're seeing, we're actually seeing something which is here. We saw the signal to buy that the market has been buying. You see, we haven't yet seen a signal to sell. Like the market side trying to push price down like that. This is what we're holding, but it's still in a buy. Reason being, we can see the moving average is still down here. The exponential moving average is still down here. And all we can see here is that the market is still bullish. Starting from here, it has been pushing price up. And in the 1 hour, that's why we're getting more confluence. Like in the 1 hour, when you have one signal to buy, and the market has been buying all the way up like that. See? In the 4 hours, I'm sure we see a one buy signal, and the market has been buying, pushing price up like that, and it's a very good move. So what we can see, maybe at this point, we can see the market trying to reverse back. We'll see in the next 1 hour 30 minutes. We'll see what's gonna happen. Yeah, 1 hour 30 minutes. Oh, we still have 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes still indicating here. That's good. So you can see maybe the market's trying to reverse pushing price up. Reason being, we know we've lost our queen and stuff, so such things can actually happen there. So yeah, so that's a move. So that's a move. You can see right there. This is us30, right? People asking at I can see someone who's busy asking me, saying what broker is it? I won't show my account number, but this is Deriv, guys. This is Deriv on Deriv server. Still using Deriv. So yeah, so that's a move you see right there. So the whole move was a 15 minutes signal which was given to us. Then the market pushed price up like that. You can actually compare. Look at this. You can capture this. I get this. Go to the camera. I capture that. All right. So yeah, so that's it on us100. Let's see what's happening on us30. All right, sweet. So it's a 15 minutes chart right there. Let's go to us30. Let's go to 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. This one was just clear. It was straight up clear. It was straightforward clear. The moment we saw that signal, we couldn't just leave it. Couldn't leave money, guys. We couldn't leave money. We jumped in. We couldn't leave money on the ground like that. The moment we just saw that, we're like, let's jump in, Mona, let's jump in. Look, this was a clear signal here. Market to say buy. Look at what happened. Push price up like that. Came back. We had that signal, more like a false signal. A little bit skeptical about it, but the overall trend. What was the overall trend telling us? We're actually looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, guys. No lie, I was looking at it on the 4-hour time frame. I was like, let me just hold on this one. Let me just hold on this one, because this one had that signal. Then the market has been pushing price up like that. Everything shows a bullish market. Yeah, so just focused on the whole 1 hour 4-hour candlestick and stuff. Yeah, because what we saw right here was this. We saw that move. It was a very clean move like that. Then we had the breakout. Actually, we were doing some breakout trends and stuff. We were waiting for it to break out. After that breakout, we were like, whatever's gonna happen, if it breaks the zone, if it breaks the zone and stuff, we're in. But I was like, anyways, this one, since it has already broken this, we might as well just jump in when we see the signal in the 15. So this 15 gave us a signal. We're like, okay, let's jump in, because what we're waiting for something here, waiting for a reaction at this point right here. So this is why we're holding. Yeah, something like that we're holding because of all that. Yeah, so waiting for that zone. Anyways, we'll see how the results are going to end later on. But otherwise, this is what's happening right here. This is what's happening right here. Anyways, I'm gonna cut the video right here real short. So check this one last time. See, signals given. Then we also have other like maybe the week. We can see how the week has been. So the week is a bullish bar, man. It's all bullish candle, pushing price up like that. This other week we had a signal, we buy, the market just push price up like that. But anyways, very soon we can see the market reversing back. It won't go that far. We only have 29 hours to go. And for the day, we had a bullish day with the very good bullish day, guys. A very good bullish day. Won't say much on it. You can see that. Won't say much on it. You can see that the day is actually a good bullish day. You see, it has a signal to buy. That's why we're holding on it. Yeah, holding on it like that. Let's see us30, us100. How's the day on us100? Guys, sweet buy. Same thing which happened here. If you are selling, you have sold, came back, retested, push price down like that. If you are a swing trader. Anyways, you see the market has been buying from that point, pushing price up like that until you start buying, until you see the market giving you a signal to do what? Go out of the market. Otherwise, the market's just going to buy. Anyways, I'm signing out right now.